Hey everyone, welcome back to the Kidz Science Corner Special Edition. In this video, we're going to be learning about colorful chemistry. What we'll be needing in this experiment is plastic tray, a wooden stick, thymol blue, sodium carbonate, which is Na2CO3. We'll also be needing NaHSO4, which is basically sodium hydrogen sulfate. And we'll also be needing some water and a Petri dish. So, let's get started. First, we're going to be taking our Petri dish. We're going to be taking our sodium carbonate, which is basically Na2CO3. Let's open it up, and we're going to be adding 3 drops of this. So, there are 3 kinds of solutions: neutral, basic, and acidic. An example of neutral is water. An example of basic is like any vegetable juice, like carrot juice or spinach juice. And some examples of acidic are lemonade, any sodas, or orange juice or something like that. And a fun fact, soda, when you drink acidic things, it actually hurts your teeth a lot, so don't drink too much soda. And now we're going to be taking our water and pouring it like that, and you want it to layer completely, like that. Perfect. You might have some water left, so that's totally fine. So now let's figure out if this pattern is acidic, if it's an acidic pattern, or if it's a basic pattern. So we're going to figure it out by adding 10 drops of thymol blue into the solution. Let's go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to put exactly 10 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 drops of it. That's how much I added. And now we're going to stir it up with our wooden stick until it's completely blue. And this is an example of basic solution. So I think we stirred it enough. Yep, perfect. Okay, so now let's turn it into an acidic solution by adding some NaHSO4, which is basically sodium hydrogen sulfate. We're going to add 5 to 7 drops of it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Watch carefully what happens. Now I'm going to stir it up with our wooden stick. Oh, look at that! The color instantly changed to yellow. To this gold, beautiful yellow. Now it's an example of an acidic pattern, of an acidic solution. And now let's turn it back into a basic solution by adding some Na2CO3, which is basically sodium carbonate. We're going to add 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to stir it up. Oh God, I could do this forever. Look at that. Now it's back to a basic solution. So as you keep adding it, it'll turn to basic and acidic pattern. So let's try one more time by adding some sodium hydrogen sulfate. 5 to 7 drops of it. Let's add 7 this time. Let's add 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna swirl it up. We're gonna swirl it up really slowly so we can see the beautiful patterns of the blue and the yellow. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at those beautiful patterns. You can even see a little bit of pink there. Huh. Wow. is so, so cool. So take a really nice look at that, of how the beautiful patterns, look at the beautiful patterns that are there in the Petri dish. So now let's stir it quickly. So now it's an acidic solution. So yeah, that was the experiment. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.